guys, it's Captain Autismo back with another video. Today in Animal Company, we're going to be in the new broke mode with my friend Mike. And
who the fuck?
And we're going to be doing in broke AF mode. We are going to see who can make the most money in broke AF in 15 minutes. So you're going to go to a new code. Appear offline, by the way. So you're going to go to a new code. And then once I tell you the 15 minutes are up, like I'll here, hold on. I'm at the timer. Alright, where's my phone? Alright, we can just make an alarm. Or no, I'll just do a timer. Timer 15 minutes and go. Okay, the 15 minutes has started. We gotta see who can make the most money. Let's go. This is gonna be a nice, quick video, I hope. It's gonna be like a 15-minute video. So I think I'm gonna start in the anglerfish cave unless there's just like not anything there. Okay, we're going down to Timmy Tough Knuckles. Get out! Alright, I see Timmy Tough Knuckles. Let's just go ahead and run past. It's gonna be so bad if I were to have. Okay, we already have enough. Damn break, whatever. So we don't need the bone no more, cause this should give me enough for at least a crowbar. More to do, you know. There, my phone's ringer's turned on, so I'll actually hear the alarm. Nice, I can get a crowbar and a bigger bag. So we don't need you no more. So we're gonna get a crowbar, not a pickaxe. I'm just gonna get a crowbar for now. Crowbar, and we'll get. I just want to have over like 20k by the end, so I gotta be quick. I might go to mansion once I get like a pickaxe. And like a hook shot, I'll go to mansion. So just a little bit of this. So we're gonna head back down to Timmy Tough Knuckles. Yeah, I know it's kind of a dumb name. But now that I have a weapon with that cannot break, I can actually stay down here longer. That's a good amount of ores. So maybe we can grab one and it's just so cool. That weird clicky, like that loud sound you hear, the ambience here, is actually a lot scarier than like Minecraft cave ambience. Prove me wrong, but honestly, I don't like it. It kind of scares me. So we're only accounting for how many of the nuts we get. Oh, I see Timmy Tough Knuckles. He's stuck, it seems. Hold on. So Mike just let me know he has to. He's gonna have to leave in like 10 minutes. He's lying about his money in call. He's saying he had a bag of bone. Yeah, he's so fucking stupid. This is about to be some good money talks. Money talks. Hopefully enough for a hook shot, because I want to get a bigger bag and a grappler. I only have enough for a grappler. That sucks. Let's get the grappler. So right now I have 303. I need to quit buying stuff. I just need to get a pickaxe and a big bag, and then that's all I'm gonna buy. I know it's gonna fall, but I kind of need it to. He said he heard the sound of a player being hit by the acid, but it's most likely just a mimic, so he should be okay. Yeah, the reason we have to be in different codes is because we'll get money when each of us make money, which makes it a lot easier because you could just not do anything and let's say one of us goes to lava, which will probably not happen, but if one of us did, they can just wait. Yeah, me and him both agree that the weird, like, loud squeaky noise, like that is scary. Like, we both don't like it. It puts me and him both on edge, I think. It's for literally everywhere you go. He's calling it. Surprised Timmy Tough Knuckles isn't here yet. Oh, there he is. Okay, well, it's gonna be a really short video because he's gonna have to get off just like right now. Jesus! Hey, what's up, Timmy? Crossbow, let's move. We gotta go because he's gonna have to. We need to get a lot of money. Alright, this should be enough for a grappler. Pretty good. I'm not gonna buy anything. You know, he had to go, so so he left, so I'm gonna sell all my stuff that I still have. It's kind of a short video, I think. I don't know. Alright, so the final amount of money I had was 1,778. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. We'll have the pictures side by side here. Cub!